Guys, what's going on today? Thomas the Car here, and today we're going to be switching out my tires. So we got, let's see, currently we're running 225 40/18, and in the back here, over there, just chilling, just two of them. We're only switching out the fronts, but we're going to go to a tire shop. We're going to get these things mounted, come back, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, you saw in that clip, we got new tires, bro. We got new tires on. We gotta fix this fitment though, you know what I'm saying? Cause you go over to the passenger side, it's so much better. You got that like perfect fitment right there. That's what we're trying to go for. So basically, all we gotta do on the driver's side to do that is really just camber it. But what I think we're gonna do is I think we're gonna add the spacers that we have on the rear, move it to the front. I think it's 8 mil, and then camber it out, like max camber on both sides. That way we know it's even, and see what we can get. See if we can get that the same fitment that we have right here, because I think it's going to be close. It should be roughly like the same. So I'm hoping we get that. So we'll see. Alright, so the shop over torqued my lug nuts, so now it's time to use my body weight. Woo! This is only the second one. What if I get, never mind. I don't have anything that fits over it. Oh my God. My hernia. I'm gonna do this way. Pull. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Push was a lot easier. That's for sure. Why did they do this? Why? And what's funny is I really thought it was the battery on my impact. I switched batteries to a full charge battery and I still couldn't get it. This is insane. And that's a good impact too. I'm gonna get my foot in there. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh. Okay, these are loose. You know what? Let's go loosen the other side first before we finish this side. Oh, it's literally moving my whole car. I guess me and my car weigh about the same though. Oh yeah. See, sometimes it pays to be a bigger guy. So skinny, I wouldn't get these. Oh yeah, I would just SOL. Oh man, you hear that? That shouldn't be doing that. It shouldn't be like that. Okay. Now let's put the spacers on. pressure. Then we're gonna come up here and loosen these up and just push it all the way back. Max it out. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So all I did, I just adjusted this camber plate right up here. For some reason, this one's able to be like maxed out and still be fine. Like I could maybe go a little bit more, a little more positive camber, but basically max out is pretty chilling. And then this one, as you can see, it's not even maxed out. There's hella space back here. But I mean, that's what we got. Pretty lip to fender-ish. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Got new tires, got them installed. As we can see, it was a little over torqued, but nothing we couldn't handle. But we put the spacers on, got a little more camber. I think I'm just under ½ an inch right now, so I think it might be as low as I can go, especially with these backs. I don't think I'm sitting on anything. Maybe the tire under here. It's really hard to tell, but for now, that's all that we're gonna do. Appreciate everyone who tuned in, appreciate all the love, support. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, leave a comment if you have a question, and I'll see you in the next one.